In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a monthly calendar in Microsoft Word. Creating a monthly calendar in Microsoft Word is a simple way to organize your schedule, keep track of important dates, and create a calendar that you can edit whenever you need to. There are several ways to create one in Word, and we'll look at the available options so you can choose the method that works best for you. First, open Microsoft Word and start with your document. When creating a calendar, one option is to build it manually. To do this, you would go to the Insert tab and select Table. From there, you could create the rows and columns needed for the days of the week and the dates of the month. However, creating the entire calendar this way can take quite a bit of time because you have to set up the table yourself. A faster option is to use Word's built-in quick tables. To access this option, go to the Insert tab and click on Table. In the menu that appears, look for Quick Tables. Here, you'll find several ready-made table designs, including different calendar layouts. You may see several calendar options available. For example, there can be 4 different calendar designs to choose from. Each one provides a ready-made layout, so you don't have to create all of the rows and columns manually. Let's try the first calendar option. Select calendar number 1, and Word will immediately insert the calendar into your document. As you can see, you now have a monthly calendar layout ready to use, including the days and dates for the month. One useful feature is that the calendar can be edited. For example, if you want to change the month from December to November, you can modify the calendar so it matches the month you need. You can also adjust the information inside the calendar to suit your schedule. Another way to create a monthly calendar is by using Word's templates. To do this, go to the File tab and select More Templates. This will open the Template section, where you can search through different document designs. Since we're looking for a calendar, use the search option and type Calendar. Word will then display different calendar templates that you can choose from. Browse through the available options and select the calendar design you want to use. Once you've selected your preferred calendar, click Create. Word will then open the selected template as a new document, giving you a ready-made calendar that you can edit and customize. And that's how you can quickly build a monthly calendar in Microsoft Word using either quick tables or a ready-made template. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,